Welcome everyone to MKCL's Learning Co. Learning Co is a modern teaching solution for all. It's very user friendly and simple to understand. In this short tutorial, we are going to understand in detail about all the features of Learning Co. Before we begin, you must have received URL link of Learning Co, a user ID and password from concerned authorities in your institute. This link, password and user ID would be helpful for understanding Learning Co and using it. So let's begin. Click on the URL you have received. It will direct you to this page. This is Learning Co's landing page. On this page you will find Teachers Login tab. Click on that tab. You will be directed to the login page of Learning Co. Search the name of your institute and select it. Now enter your user ID and password. Now log in the system. This is dashboard of Learning Co. Over here you will see your name. On this dashboard you will see tabs such as teaching plan, presentation, students, reports, conducting class online. This all tabs will be discussed in detail in further session. Over here you have got Learning Assistant tab. Once you click on Learning Assistant tab, you would be directed to this page. On this page you can search about the topics you want to teach to students. If you are not comfortable with English language, you can also change the language of Learning Co to Hindi or Marathi. So let's begin and understand in detail about Learning Co and all the aspects of Learning Co. Log into Learning Co and move to the next session to understand more about teaching plans. Thank you.